Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is One Take Wednesday. If you're new around here, my name's Matt, and I'm sitting outside the Harbor Freight right now. I'm breaking my social distancing policies today. I need a winch for a project I'm going to be doing here soon, so they got a good 12,000 pound winch for real cheap, so it's got pretty good reviews as best I could tell online. So I got my handy bottle of sanitizer, and I'm going to bathe in this stuff as soon as I get back out of here. I'm not deathly afraid of it, but I take it a little bit seriously, and I definitely don't want to get it. I got some friends that are in the medical field, and they tell me it's not a joke. So I know a lot of people on the YouTube, you know, you guys think about it what you want. I'm not telling you what to think, but I'm just going to err on the side of caution at least, and be in and out. So I got this new winch home. Now I'm going to work on building a mounting plate that I can hook up to a receiver hitch, or use D-rings and tie it down to my trailers, or put it pretty much any place. Alright, let's get this beauty out of the box. Manual. Don't need that. Chinesium hook. Might upgrade that eventually. Got your in and out controller. Decent. Power and control box. Fair lead, which surprisingly feels fairly robust. Nice. And there she is, the big tuna. Ground cable, little thingy to put on the hook. Yeah, that looks like it. So, what I want to build is a plate to mount this on with some handles on it. A million people have done this. I'm just finally getting around to it. I've been wanting to do this for years. And then winching this forklift up onto the trailer with a come along and bending it in half finally convinced me to go out and get a winch that I can drag dead stuff up onto my trailers a little easier with. So anyway, I want to make a plate. Got a receiver hitch on one side, some D-rings welded on both sides, and some handles so you can carry it around pretty easily. And then I'm going to put quick connects so you can just plug it into something here. I'll show you in a second. So these cables here are too light for this application, but these connectors are the same style that I want to get, just with heavier leads. So have one of these mounted onto this winch somewhere, probably by the control box, and then have one of these things with the truck and the trailer, and that way you can just plug her in and you're good to go. So I just measured our bolt spacing here. We got 4.5 inches this way and 10 inches this way. I think my marker's about dead. So anyway, I want to put some D-rings on both sides of the winch sticking out like that, and that way you can kind of chain it up and do anything you might need to do kind of rigging wise. You can get creative when you're pulling on stuff like this. And then have the receiver hitch part coming out the back here, just the minimum length, so you don't have this big honking thing sticking out the back getting in the way. But yeah, something like that. I don't know. But I'll probably show this build inside of a future video. And if you guys got any experience with these winches, drop a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are they good, bad, terrible? I've heard pretty good things about them, so I wasn't scared for the $289 I think I got, plus I had a $10 off coupon. So I think, yeah, for $279 for a 12,000 pound winch, an equivalent Warren's like $900. So I'll take the gamble on it. Can always return it. They don't seem to question returns. So let me know down in the comments what you would build as far as the plate goes. I'm thinking I'm going to go with 3/8 C channel I've got, and that would give me a place to mount the D-rings kind of in front rather than right here where the fair leads need to go, but we'll see. Got to see what I have. I'm going to go right now and scavenge around through all my metal hoard and see what I got hidden around here. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. Alright, sorry guys, that was a little short video today. Just kind of wanted to give you a little update on what I was up to today and a project I'm going to be working on. I'm looking for input. Like I said, if you guys have built any one of these winch plates before, tell me what you did, or if you can point me to a good one online I could kind of copy, that'd be cool. I kind of got this idea from Andrew Camarada. I know everybody always says I'm do very similar content to him, so it's something that's just very handy if you're doing this kind of work. You know, I love dragging home dead stuff, and it would definitely be a big help. Within 2 days, I drug up 3 things onto my trailer with a come-along, and that forklift put the nail in the coffin and kind of destroyed my come-along. So that's why I finally opted to do this. But so I don't know if you guys noticed in the video there, I got a little bit of a dirt stash coming in. I can't grow facial hair to save my life, and that's just fine with me, but I thought it would be a fun thing we could start here. I'm going to do a quarantine challenge, so I'm going to not shave again until this whole thing kind of starts to settle down and they send me back to work. So you'll start to see some pretty ugly beard coming in here, I think, before long. So if you're following me on Instagram, maybe I'll do a post about it, and you can tag me in your own quarantine beard and let me see what you got going on there. I think that's funny. I'm not a sports guy, so playoffs beards don't apply to me, so quarantine beard could be something I could work with. It's just going to be an embarrassment for myself, but for those of you that can actually grow some facial hair, this is your time to shine. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.